Hey folks, just a little quick video here. I'm going to be showing the lockup sound on the John Grimsmo knife, which sounds really sweet. What I have here are the the 560 and the 561. You can get a good idea of the comparison of the size. They're pretty comparable, pretty much about the same size. See the 561. This thing's a beautiful knife. I'm actually going to be able to get a Hinderer soon, an XM24. I can't wait. As soon as I get it, I'll bang out a video on that. But this thing's beautiful, beautiful. I mean, you know, it's just a beautiful, beautiful knife. I mean, look at the detail on that. You know? One of the criticisms on the John Grimsmo, someone did a video on it, on this Norseman, is that it doesn't have basically a lock stabilizer. And if you take a look at it, I guess it's a little, somebody said there was a little thin over here, and that it might over travel when you're trying to disengage the lock mechanism. Someone also criticized the, I don't know if you can see it, you know, the centering. It is a little bit off center. I mean, it's not perfect, but what do you want? It's a custom knife. But well, anyway, the video is about this. I want you guys to hear the sound when it locks up. Yeah, that's sweet. That is sweet, sweet sound. It's smooth. It's really smooth. You know, you don't really have to flick it. It just pretty much goes. As compared to the zero tolerance 560. Oh, yeah, I might regret this one. Sometimes it's a little easier to flick it open with the thumb stud. This one, for whatever reason, ooh, you flick it's good. Lockup is perfect. I can't tell if that's zooming in. I hope it is. Let's see what this one's on. This one's nice and tight. I don't want to mess with it. I didn't loosen it up because I want to pretty much leave it's brand new. So this one flicks really nice. But the thumb stud, it's very tough. I'm sure I could, if I loosen this up, it'll sound better. But listen to the difference. Oh. Anyway, I love the sound. Let's compare the blades. Zero tolerance, 561. Grimsmo Norseman. Beauty. Alright folks. Thanks. Peace.